Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. First of all, open the conversation and tap on this camera icon, and now you can capture an instant photo or you can upload a photo from your gallery by tapping on this gallery icon at the bottom left corner. So I'm gonna capture an instant photo here, and to make this photo disappearing you have to tap on keep in chat. Here you will find this few ones option, so you have to select few ones and then click on send. Now I'm gonna sending a disappearing video here, so I'm gonna tapping on this camera icon again and capturing a little video here, and again here you want to select view once and then tap on send. And now I'm gonna opening my another Instagram account. I'm gonna opening my conversation here, and first of all I'm going to opening this photo, so I'm tapping on view photo, and here you can see the photo has been opened, and if I tap on it again, here you can see the photo has been disappeared. And the same way I'm gonna opening my video here, and after playing the video one time, if I tap on it again, here you can see it's not opening. So that's how we can send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.